Hey guys, welcome. In this episode, I want to tell you what my 36th items are. But before I continue, let's go back to my 34th item, which was the Ready Lift kit that I installed. After doing the installation, I thought that I would be good, but what happened is when I raised it up 2.5 inches in the lift, it changes my geometry of my caster and everything, so I had to get my 36 items, which are, I'll show you right there. It is the lower and upper control arms, as you can see right there on both sides. It is the maXpeed rods, I think that's what they're called, maXpeed rods, lower and upper control arms. That is my 36 items. The reason that I needed them was to basically fix my geometry, bring it back to custom ride. I mean the regular ride. It's because my caster angle, if I could show you, imagine this was the original caster angle, and then when I did the lift, it was like this, so I had to bring it back slightly like that. But I believe it was between 4 to 6 degrees of caster. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah. So my 36 item is the maXpeed lower and upper control arms. They're adjustable, so if I change another lift or do anything else, I can easily change my caster angle. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time, peace.